A really simple chicken dinner made tonight with broccoli, asparagus, carrots, celery, lemon slices, a sprinkle of turmeric, paprika, as well as chopped garlic and shallots, fried in vegetable oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Super simple, made over an open fire. Super delicious. The vegetables are seasoned with the chicken and seasoned with the garlic and shallots, and the lemon slices, of course, obviously, aid in cooking. And the vegetable oil, it keeps it from browning too fast. You could substitute olive oil or coconut oil for added health benefits. But we have vegetable oil, so that's what we're using tonight.